Hello and welcome back to Brightest Cinema. In this recap video we are going to see the kiss between Archie and Betty and the most important moments from Riverdale Season 6 Episode 15. Alright, let's start. The battle for the diner turned into a fight for self-control in Riverdale's latest episode. Only the calmest person could handle crushing the diner numerous times. The series said crew members deserve medals for their work, but was their work of no effect? This chapter provided us the why of Percival Pickens' persistent triviality against the diner. After a long time of hazy foretelling, we wanted a straight answer to this riddle. So Percival desires to develop a railroad to build a crazy ghost train that will transport spirits and gather his strength. That is what I concluded from the Scoopy chat with Gilda. If that's the case, this theory was the beginning of the end. Percival is the epitome of evil. All this chaos to build a poltergeist train and deliver the